Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. This is episode 15 of the Discord JS guide, and in this episode I'll be showing you how you can create a help command. So let's jump straight into it. I hope you'll enjoy. Now I'm going to be starting off with the if statement as usual. So now if command is equal to help bot.commands.get help, and then I'll be executing bot message args discord as well as command files. Now let me make the file and fill it up, help.js, and there we go. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to be starting off by creating an embed, const embed equal to new discord dot message embed, and now time to give its attributes. So I'm going to be setting the title to be help command, then the description will be, I'll call it something like list of all commands, and then for the color as well I'm going to be just putting in some random color. There we go. So now that that's done, I'm going to be telling you how I'm going to be creating the actual help command. So for getting the information of each command and adding a new field for each of them, it's going to be quite hard. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a for loop which gets each command and also its attributes, which can be passed into the field, and then we can send the whole embed. So basically how I'm going to be doing that is create a for loop by typing in for const file of command files. So command files is basically just a list of all the files in the source folder. As you can see in the console right here, this is the entire array, so it has all the files. So now what I'm going to be doing is changing file to file.replace .js and replace that with an empty code. So basically what that does is it converts 8ball.js into 8ball, agl.js into agl, and so on. So now what that's going to allow me to do is that I can use the bot.commands.get function, which we use in index.js like during every episode. So what that does is it gets the command right here and it executes this function right here. That's why I call execute. So what if I call .name instead? So what that will do is that it would just get the name and return that. So I'm going to be using that function right here, bot.commands.get, to fill in each field. So embed.add field, or you can just do .add field, doesn't matter. Here I do bot.commands.get file .name. So that's going to be the name, and the value right here of the field will be bot.commands.get file once again. So we're getting the same file and we're going to be getting the description. So basically that prints the name as well as the description of each command as it traverses through all the files in command files, which is the array. So now that that's done, I'm going to be sending the embed. So we just do message.channel.send embed, and yeah, that's basically it. So let me run this program and test it out. So let's do question mark help, and looks like there's an error. Let me just check out what that is. Assignment to a constant variable. Alright, so that basically is because I've defined file as constant, so we can't change the value. Let me just fix that by changing it to let, and now that should work. Alright, there we go. Once again, question mark help, and as you can see it works. So we get the list of all the commands. So 8ball command used to add roles, agl command, I don't think I changed that, it was supposed to be a placeholder description for a while. And yeah, so basically we get all of these, and you can also edit this a bit, like you can change the inline to true. So basically that shows every 3 fields in one line. Let me just show you what that looks like. Yeah, so that looks a lot more neat. And also I can add something like the timestamp at the bottom, which also makes it look neater. Set timestamp. And you can change the color to whatever you want, it doesn't matter. I just chose a random color. Once again, help, and yeah, so that's basically how you make the help command. So now that you understood, you can get the attributes using dot next to the bot.commands.get file function. You can add a lot of attributes. You can add stuff like, you can add like another description or something, or the category that it belongs to. So you can go into category and type in help command or something. You can do lots of stuff like that, and also you can add more functions depending on different commands. So basically you can do lots of stuff like that. For the help command, I'm just going to be using the name and the description because that's all I have defined. And I think that's going to wrap up this episode. So that was just how to make a simple help command. So if you did enjoy this video, please do leave a like and subscribe, as I'll be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.